Hello everyone, myself Sovan Joshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Commerce Classes. Students, today we will discuss class 12th economics syllabus, chapter wise weightage and paper style for the year 2020-21 means this upcoming board exam March 2021. Mainly economics is divided into two parts. Part A macroeconomics, part B Indian economic development. This both part will be consist 40 marks. Means macroeconomics भी 40 mark का है, Indian economic development भी 40 mark का है. Part A macroeconomics, here 5 lessons are included. First one is the national income and related aggregate 10 marks. यहाँ से एक 6 mark का एक practical sum भी आता है. ओके बोर्ड के पेपर में. Second one, money and banking, 6 mark. Third one, budget and its component, 6 mark. Fourth, balance of payment, 6 mark. And determination of income and employment, 12 mark. यानी कि अगर ध्यान से अगर देखो तो मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में 5 लेसन है और 5 लेसन में से 40 मार्क का है. अब उसमें से भी 10 मार्क का कहाँ से है? नेशनल इनकम एंड रिलेटेड एग्रीगेट मींस मेन और आईएमपी लेसन भी हम जिसको बोल सकते. And fifth lesson, determination of income and employment, 12 mark. नेशनल इनकम एंड रिलेटेड एग्रीगेट में से एक 6 मार्क का बोर्ड में सम होगा प्रैक्टिकल सम. Now part B, Indian economic development. It's a very easy. There are only 3 lessons. Lesson number 6, Indian economy on the eve of independence means development experience 1947 to 90 and economic reforms since 1991. 12 मार्क का लेसन है. यूनिट 7 जो है आपके पास करंट challenges facing Indian economy, 22 marks. Heaviest portion of the Indian economy and overall economics, 22 marks. Last unit of this Indian economy or economics development experience of India, a comparison with neighbors, 6 mark. Means another country के साथ neighbor country के साथ comparison. So I think this is most probable clear that 80 mark. Total number of lesson 8. 5 lessons are covered under the macroeconomics. 5 lesson 40 weightage, and remaining 3 lesson will be same 40 weightage. Okay. Now next one, paper pattern of board exam. अब जैसे आगे हमने डिस्कस किया सेम वे पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी both will be 40 mark 40 mark. Part A for macroeconomics and part B for Indian economy. Now paper style is same for part A and part B. So total number of questions will be 34. In a part A, question number 1 to 10, each question carry 1 mark, means OTQ type question, 10 marks. Question number 11 and 12 means 2 question will be 3 marker. Okay. And 2 question will be 4 marker. Sorry, 3 question will be 4 marker and 2 question will be 6 marker. Same pattern will be followed in Indian economy also. Okay, so question number 18 to 27, 10 question will be 1 marker OTQ type question. Question number 28 and 9 means 2 question will be carry 3 marks, so 6 mark. Question number 30 to 32 means 3 question will be 4 marks and 2 question will be 6 mark. Means overall if you check that in a economics 6 marker question will be 4 marker question will be 6 and 3 marker question will be 4 and OTQ type question will be 20. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर एंड मोर कॉमर्स रिलेटेड videos.